Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Playground. This innovative tool allows you to run a full WordPress instance directly within your web browser, eliminating the need for complex local server setups or expensive hosting. You can experiment freely with themes, plugins, and custom code in a completely sandboxed environment. All changes are temporary by default, providing a safe space for development and testing without any risk to live sites. It's a fantastic way to quickly prototype ideas. To begin, navigate to the official WordPress Playground website or integrate it into your project using its powerful API. Once there, you can easily select your desired WordPress and PHP versions, tailoring the environment to your specific needs. The platform also allows you to pre-install various themes and plugins, saving you valuable setup time. You can even configure the environment to simulate different server conditions, ensuring your creations are robust and reliable across diverse setups. With your Playground instance ready, you can dive into experimentation and development. Install and activate different themes and plugins to test their compatibility and functionality without any real-world consequences. The built-in code editor lets you modify files directly, allowing for rapid iteration on custom code snippets or new features. If you ever need a fresh start, a single click will reset your entire instance to its initial clean state, making it perfect for iterative testing. Once you've developed something exciting, WordPress Playground offers straightforward ways to save and share your work. You can export your entire instance, including all configurations, themes, plugins, and data, as a convenient zip file. This file can then be easily shared with colleagues for collaborative development or used to demonstrate your creations. Importing a previously exported zip allows you to instantly resume work or replicate a specific environment, streamlining your workflow and ensuring consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.